Anterior surface, ito. Posterior surface. Superior, inferior. This is an example of your right brain. So this is on the non-dominant hemisphere. Okay. So where my finger is, your lateral fissure. Okay. Now, everything below your lateral fissure, this thing here, is your temporal lobe. Okay. Now we have to look for your central sulcus. Your central sulcus is the longest continuous sulcus on the lateral surface, which is this thing here.
Longest.
Continuous. So yan. So lateral fissure, central sulcus. So now, paano ako sigurado na ito si central sulcus? Una, ako teacher. That you'll be looking for, sa loob, you'll have here your marginal sulcus, here where the needle is. Okay? Okay, the marginal. Okay, the marginal sulcus, immediately in front of it is your central sulcus. See, so ito. Gets? Kaya sure ball tayo, central sulcus to. Now, everything anterior to your central sulcus is your frontal lobe. Anterior. Your central sulcus is your frontal lobe. So, everything below your lateral fissure is your temporal. Everything in front is your frontal lobe. Hindi ba nagpapakita ba natin grades sa kanila? Okay, sige. So now, you have a bump in front of your central sulcus. Okay. Ayan. You have a bump in front of your central sulcus. So what do you call that bump? The gyrus in front of your central sulcus. It's your precentral gyrus, okay? Or Brodmann area 4. Okay? May pagkasabi lang kung wala sa listahan, ha? Tapos, in front. so, alalahan ako gagawa ng practical niya sa finals. Your Brodmann area 4 or your primary motor cortex. So, yung red. Yung green, sulcus. So, that's your precentral sulcus. Okay? And then, ito, yung red ulit, ha? So, di ba, yung white natin, Brodmann area 4. Di ba? Yung red ngayon, everything in front of your central sulcus is your di ba? Everything in front of your central sulcus is a gyrus that's in front, precentral. So, lahat yan, precentral sulcus, gyrus. Di ba? So, lahat to, 1, 2, yan, lahat yan. Precentral, Brodmann area 4 yan lahat. Okay? So, ito si precentral sulcus. Yung si precentral sulcus, hindi na pwedeng dire-diretso. Pwede lang hindi dire-diretso. Kailangan mo lang ng demarcation. Kasi in front of it, ito ngayon, di ba? Una natin. Ito ngayon, si Brodmann area 6. 4, tapos to 6. Si 6, di ba siya si supplemental or secondary motor cortex. Yung 4 yung primary. Okay. Then, in front of your Brodmann area 6, the rest of your frontal lobe will be divided into 3 by 2, actually 3, but by 2 horizontal sulci. So, 1, ano tayo? 2. So, ito, superior frontal sulcus, inferior frontal sulcus. It will divide the rest of your frontal lobe into 3. Superior frontal gyrus, middle frontal gyrus, inferior frontal gyrus. Hindi, di ba? Superior, middle, inferior. Di ba?
Frontal gyrus.
Okay. So now, You may note that you also have a sulcus here. Too much information. Hindi ko na sabihin. But ito nasa lista. So, di ba, anong white? Anong Brodmann 6? So, ngayon, sa harap ni white, ito, si 8. So, green, white, red. Sure ba ako nasa manual yan? Kung wala mo sa drawing, nasa manual yan. So Brodmann area 8 is your frontal eye field. It's important for the conjugate movement of your eyeballs. Diba if your right eye moves like that, diba alam mo matitira yung left eyeball mo. Okay.
Yun po yung pink.
Hindi, yung anong cool, basta yan. Yung fuchsia. Yung maroon.
Pink na lang to.
Mahirap.
Mahirap spell eh. Toxic.
Okay. So ngayon, nandito na tayo, di ba? So ito si inferior frontal gyrus. So kailangan nyo hanapin dito at tuturo ko sa inyo, ha. 1, 2. Kung wala man sa drawing, nasa netter ito. Ito si anterior limb ng lateral fissure. Yung white, si ascending limb ng lateral fissure. Nasa netter. So hindi ako nang. So ngayon, makita nyo, so try to make an imaginary line here. Anterior limb, ascending limb. So try to make an imaginary line. Ano siya? Mukhang triangle. Okay. So ito si pars triangularis. The triangular part of the inferior frontal gyrus. Okay. So immediately behind it, anong kulay na pit? The green, ha? So immediately behind, so this is Brodmann area 45. Immediately behind it here, okay, in green, is Brodmann area 44, your pars opercularis.
Yung 5, ay yung white. Hindi, ascending. Ay, ascending.
Dali lang, ha?